I just told AI what my business does, and it built me a complete website in under 10 minutes. Seriously, I was skeptical too, but Hostinger's AI website builder actually listened to my business description and created professional layouts, wrote compelling copy, and even generated custom images. All I had to do was drag and drop a few elements to match my brand colors. It cost me just $1.99 a month instead of the $3,000 quote I got from a developer. Elise from a local business says thanks to Hostinger's simple dashboard, she manages her WordPress site herself. No more waiting weeks for updates or paying hourly rate. The AI handles everything from hosting to security updates automatically. My site loads lightning fast and looks exactly like what I envisioned. Stop wasting time and money on expensive developers. Get Hostinger today and watch AI build your dream website in minutes, not months.